FRESHIFY phone cleaner app, storage cleaner for your phone. FRESHIFY clean, optimize, and secure your iPhone. FRESHIFY is the ultimate app to keep your iPhone organized, optimized, and secure. Free up storage, manage your contacts and calendar, and enhance your device's security all in one place. Photo and video optimization. You can just detect and remove similar photos, duplicate screenshots, and screen recorders to free up space. Contacts organization, merge duplicate contacts, clean up incomplete entries. Calendar manager, security and privacy protection, check device security, monitor OS updates, manage passwords. So yeah, you can have a weekly subscription for $10 with a 3-day free trial. Subscription will automatically renew unless cancelled before the end of the trial or current period. Payment will be charged to your Apple ID account upon confirmation purchase. And then yeah, so then you can just install it just like that. Here is the app, and then yeah, you can just open it up. Welcome to FRESHIFY. Easily keep your phone clean, delete unwanted calendar events, delete duplicate contacts. You can give access to your photos. So, this app gives you a bit more additional phone cleaning techniques. Yeah, but then there is 3-day free trial, and then there is a payment. So here is some things. And then you need to give access to your data, calendar, contacts. So you need to give access. Unfortunately, to give access, you need to upgrade, but then still there is 3-day free trial. So you can upgrade and then cancel in 2 days, and you're not gonna be charged. So that's the idea. So you can clean up your media, and then if you want to clean up your calendar, you need to select all events and then just basically delete them. You can clean up your contacts, duplicate contacts, missing contacts, all contacts. You can clean up that like that. And then there is also smart cleaning if you wanna, and then there is also media cleaning where you have screenshots which you can delete. Then there are duplicates, which is very handy, which you can just delete, like duplicate screenshots, or just, sometimes you're taking 5 photos of the same thing. You can delete that. And then all other photos, you can also delete it. And then video. So here you have large videos, screen recordings. I have a lot of screen recordings. And yeah, you can just do it easily with this app. So super cool, especially if you have 128 gigabytes phone or something like that, and you're taking a lot of photos. This app is a must-have to help you clean out your device easily. So yeah, try it out, FRESHIFY phone cleaner app. So yeah, that's basically what it is.